Good morning, mathematicians. We are going to take a look at multiplication of whole numbers today and in this unit. And I'd like us to start with this 3-digit by 2-digit number. Many of us have been using what we've been calling our stack and solve strategy, where we take our two factors and we stack them together. At the beginning of this unit, we talked about what were some rules that we could create and accept for multiplication. And you guys came up with that the number with the most digits must go on top. So indeed, I see the number with the most digits up here and then my 2-digit number down below. We have talked about those Diva digits. We know that in the second factor, the digit that sits on the right, in this case in the ones place, is going to be the first Diva. Divas believe that they are the center of the universe, and indeed this 4 is the center of the multiplication universe. It's going to take turns hanging out with all the numbers above it, because when you're a Diva, why wouldn't people want to hang out with you? You just know that everyone thinks you're so much fun. So here we have our 4 times 2 gives us 8. Then the 4 is going to take a turn hanging out with this 8. 4 times 8 gives us 32. Here's my 2. Carry my 3. 4 times 1 gives us 4, plus 3 gives us 7. Now, has 4 taken its turn as Diva? Has it hung out with all the numbers above it? Yes, it has. So we get rid of 4 as the Diva, and don't forget to cross off anything that was carried during the 4's reign, because now there is a new Diva in town. Our new Diva, the new coolest digit, is the 5, and the 5 is going to take its turn as the Diva digit. It's going to hang out with all of the numbers above it. Now remember, the 5 sits in the tens place, because really this represents 5 groups of 10, or 50. So that's why the answer to this, 5 times 2, needs to start here in the tens place. Because of that, we have to fill this place value position. Since there's one Diva digit that's been crossed off, we are going to put down 1, dun, 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 magic 0. But really, guys, it's not magic. It's just math. This 5 sits in the tens place, so our answer must start in the tens place. Now 5 is the new Diva digit. It's the center of the multiplication universe, and it's going to take turns hanging out with all the digits above it. 5 times 2 gives us 10. Here's my 0. Carry my 1. 5 times 8 gives us 40, plus 1 gives us 41. Carry this 4. 5 times 1 gives me 5, plus 4 gives me 9. And I'll write that recorded there. This, remember what we said, guys, these two numbers represent our partial products from when we had our Diva digits be in charge. This partial product shows us what 182 times 4 equals. This partial product shows us what 182 times 50 equals. But now I must put those together by adding these two partial products, and that will tell me what 182 times 54 equals. When I add these together, I have 8 plus 0 gives me 8. 2 plus 0 gives me 2. 7 plus 1 gives me 8. And 9 plus nothing gives me 9. 1, 2, 3, comma. My final product is 9,828. Therefore, I know 182 times 54 equals 9,828.